Hello friends, it's official, we are done gardening for the season. I've already pulled all the tomato plants out. We're going to be getting some cool weather here in the next few nights. Probably going to be the end of what's left here anyway. We got a few more peppers that we'll pull through here. A lot of these are hot peppers and they won't do well when we get into the 40s. Got a butternut squash right there. But we're looking for a better 20, 25. If you'd like to grow a better garden, plant the subscribe button. We have a lot of things planned for 2025. Our peas got chewed off. We'll come over here. Might get a few radishes out of this. See how this experiment turns out. We still got some herbs hanging on. Our hydrangeas are done for the year. Got some cool crops yet. These probably won't make it. We have some spinach growing over here. It might. Spinach is pretty quick. It should turn out to be something. Our dahlias are taking a beating. And that's basically why we're calling it quits for the season. Let's check out our beets over here. I think we might get a few beets out of that. Oh.